How to log in to Exness.com account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily log in and access your Exness.com account. If you are looking for a way to sign in to your existing Exness account, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open any web browser on your device and in the URL box type in exness.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Exness. Go to the upper right corner from the home page and click on Sign In. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login page of Exness. In the login area, you'll need to type in your email address associated with your Exness account and then make sure to type in your password correctly in the password box. If you don't remember your password, then simply click on I forgot my password link at the bottom of the screen and reset to a new password. After entering your credential, click Sign In and you have successfully logged into your Exness.com account. So there you have it. That's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.